Hey guys, Darren here. Welcome to Mayhem Country Living. Oh my God, it looks like a prepper threw up in my garage. Four-wheeler generator. Water preps, bubblegum machine. How many bubblegum machines do you have? You need them for your preps. Bubblegum machines are big. Zombies can't operate them. You should have big ass fans too. And rope, 500-600 feet of rope is critical. And a shit ton of ladders in various sizes and configurations. And an Xbox. For prepping purposes, you got to have an Xbox and some games and some lids to and like 50 gallons of oil. I've got a shit pile. More to come. Okay guys, now, all joking aside, ain't this a freaking mess? What I am proposing that I will do is I will spend probably 30 minutes every day, and I will set the timer on my phone, and I will go through and clean for 30 minutes and get everything situated and put everything up. If it only involves putting up 5 things that take me 30 minutes, I'm going to do it. And by the end of November, which we've got a month, I'll have all this squared away. We got a lot to do this year to finish up for this year. And gosh, then we got to start 2019, which is going to be a big year for us. But you got to watch. Anyway, guys, in just a second, you're going to see a picture of my ugly mug pop up over there, as well as my beautiful wife. On the other side, it's going to be some videos. If we are indeed your brand of wacky, there's Edward for gratuitous ignoring you cat shot. Take care of your people, guys.